Thank you for coming to my video today. Today we are talking about preparation and proper preparation for your acrylic nails. So we're just going to hop into it. Right now we are sanding the natural nail to remove any shine and to get us an even nail plate for acrylic application. So I'm just going in with a clean sanding band. You want to make sure that each sanding band is clean for your clients. You want to use a brand new one each client. And what I'm doing there is I'm going into the cuticle area and removing those cuticles. And after the sanding band bit, I will switch bits to get more into the cuticle area. Yes, there's my other bit. It's a bit of a skinnier bit, and to be honest, I don't know what this bit is called, but I can link where to get it. It's just a small flat-headed bit that I like to use to go more into the eponychium area and remove all that dead cuticle from off of the surface of the nail. This also allows you to kind of push back those cuticles to make a bigger area for your acrylic application. And after this process, I will still go in with my cuticle nippers. There they go. And I'm just clipping off any dead excess skin. You want to be careful with this step. I'm only clipping dead skin, you guys. There's nothing live here. The trick to discovering what is dead skin versus live skin. Dead skin tends to be white and flaky, and live skin is obviously the same skin tone as your client, and you don't want to clip anything live. We don't want to cut anybody. We're just clipping off that excess dry, dead cuticle. Okay, next we're going in to glue our tips to the tip of our nail. You want to make sure that those tips fit sidewall to sidewall. I like to apply my glue to the natural nail and adhere the tip to the nail. You can see I'm trying to find the correct size for her finger. It's not one size fits all. Just because a nail tip fits on the left ring finger does not mean it's going to fit the same size to the right ring finger. I hope that makes sense. So you want to individually measure. You don't have to pull two at a time. Just pull one at a time and take your time to make sure that you're getting those correct sizes, because if it's too big, that nail's not going to last. If it's too small, that nail's just going to pop right off. So making sure that you're using the correct size tips to the finger is very important. So go and take your time with this step to make sure you're getting the proper measurements for your client. Okay, and we are going to cut our tips. I just kind of like to eyeball the measurements. You can hold the finger next to the finger to align them to make sure that they're properly the correct size, but I just like to eyeball it. And next we are going back with that same sanding band, and we are shaping and we are blending that tip to the natural nail. So let me explain the plastic fake nail tip. It's a bit thicker than the natural nail, and sometimes it can create a harsh ridge, which can interfere with good smooth acrylic application. So I like to blend that tip with the nail, just so that I get a nice smooth surface to work with. I also like to blend the rest of the tip to make sure that that product is sticking to the tip. This step is not totally necessary. I mean, it might just be a mental thing. I just feel like these nail products don't stick to slick surfaces, so that's why I like to remove the shine from the fake tip as well. But like I said, I don't believe that's totally necessary. However, blending that tip with the natural nail does help for a better acrylic application, and it avoids bubbles and ridges and things of that nature. So what we're looking for here is that everything adheres to the nail good, so that way we avoid any air getting under there, any type of separation as your client wears the nails for the 2 to 4 weeks that she should be wearing them. And also, I just like to sand my tips to shape them versus going in with a hand file. If the nails are short, I will just use my hand file. But after about medium length and anything past that, I like to just use my sanding band because I feel like it's just so much easier. You get a nice crisp shape with that. And I just feel like it cuts down a lot of time and physical energy for the tech to use their nail drill instead of the hand file. Or just feel like your nails are lifting after a day, don't be so hard on yourself. We're all starting off, we all have to start off somewhere. And the best thing that you can do is just keep practicing and keep looking up tutorials and getting different ideas. But this video will definitely help you get started in regards to how to make sure that acrylic application is smooth and how to make sure that your cuticles are not interfering with your acrylic enhancements. Again, please like and subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!